Hey there. Lately, you might have heard the term money laundering floating around. Money laundering is the process of making illegally obtained money appear legitimate. Let's say Dave just did something slightly illegal, nothing crazy. Robbing a bank, selling drugs, classic hobbies. Now Dave has $1 million in cash. Problem: if Dave walks into a bank and deposits that money, the bank will politely smile and then immediately call the government, because banks love paperwork and governments love questions like, "So Dave, where exactly did this money come from?" Dave can't exactly say, "Oh, crime." So Dave lies. He says, "I run a restaurant." Tiny problem: Dave does not own a restaurant. Also, Dave cannot cook at all. Dave buys a restaurant. He hires staff, serves real food to real customers. Whether the food is good or terrible is irrelevant. This restaurant is not about food. It's about vibes and accounting. This restaurant is Dave's washing machine. Here's the idea. In theory, purely educational, do not try this at home theory. So if you make $10 from the restaurant and $20 from illegal activities, you'll tell the bank and government that your restaurant made $30. Dave mixes some of his dirty money with the restaurant's real income. Now, the bank and government think the entire $30 came from your legal restaurant, making it clean money. You can deposit this money into the bank without any suspicion. Now the money doesn't look like it came from crime. It looks like it came from lasagna. And just like that, Dave can put the money in the bank without anyone panicking. Of course, money laundering isn't always about restaurants. People also use things like casinos, real estate, luxury assets, art collections that no one understands, and because it's 2026, cryptocurrency. Different tools, same magic trick. And just to be clear, don't try this at home. Dave is a fictional character. Dave is also probably going to jail. If you want more educational, fictional, absolutely not a tutorial videos about how money should not be handled, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.